The thing I'd say is next is preventative maintenance. Um, it's one thing to be able to tell the contractors when there's an alert and what's gone wrong. It's another thing to say this unit will have an issue in the next 2 months. Go ahead and schedule an appointment. Um, so we've been looking into solutions that will lead us that way.
So I absolutely agree. I think that the thing that we all want is the preventative maintenance part of it. Being able to tell somebody that their system is going to go down before it does is the real definition of guaranteeing uptime. I think certainly AI will play a part in that because it is so much data to evaluate in order to determine predictive maintenance criteria. I think there's no question that that data and using AI to evaluate it to determine what signals you should use for predictive maintenance reliably is going to be a big part of what happens in the coming months.
So our bets are also on the predicted maintenance, but also the predictive failure of basically our tagline for it is we want to be there before the customer knows they need us.